We're across the street from Wat Mahathat. Wat Mahathat. That's the big area, the big Wat, or the old capital administration area, I believe. And we're gonna eat lunch. Man, 50 baht. 50, 60 baht. That's like $1 to $2 US dollars. I mean, it's called a lanahan. Lanahan means country kitchen. Country kitchen. Oh, samtam. Samtam is like papaya salad. It's very spicy. Has small shrimp, peanuts. Noodle with pork gravy. Crispy kale. So vegans would like that, without the meat, of course. Now there's one for 100, but not bad. Tom yum kung. Kung is shrimp in Thai. Interestingly, pork in Thai is mu, and beef is nua, and chicken is gai. It's kind of a low tone gai, but I like mu because mu sounds like moo of a cow, so it's opposite of that. It's pork. I hope I'm making you hungry. One of my favorites, chicken with cashew nut. I think it's Gai Pet Met Noang is it in Thai. It's a big menu. Stuffed egg.